Because you too
It's where the poo fits.
Pootis fans are here!
So, what do you want to do for fun?
I want to make
Pootis!
cupcakes.
Pootis!
Cupcakes? To the kitchen!
Live from the kitchen, the following is a paid commercial announcement for Astounding Products.
Hi, welcome to Astounding Products.
We know that, you fool.
Hi, Billy Mays here for Astounding Products. I'm your host, your mom. Guy in the sweater who asks all the obvious the sweater questions.
Like, how am I gonna stop some big mean Mother Hubbard from
Making cupcakes all the way from Please welcome me, hello!
Not yet.
My mistake.
Me, hello! Shut up! I'm so sick. Do you love making cupcakes but hate making cupcakes? I know I do. Shut up! Well, forget everything you know about making cupcakes and say hello to making cupcakes. Cupcake or what? Shut up! This amazing device can instantly make your mum out of anything. Shut up! Anything. Now, let's see. Close the lid. You can put in, I don't know. What? How about a dog? Why not? I know what you're thinking. Your mum. So there we go. Now, take off the lid and Bob's your flipping uncle.
What did you just say?
Oh, yeah! Open the drawer.
Nope.
Then place it in your mum. Shut up! Delicious
Pootis!
cupcakes are just minutes away. Did you just say my mother is ugly? That's impossible! You're not just wrong! You're stupid. Now wait just ugly. Shut up! Oh yeah!
Your cupcakes.
What about it? Oh, I see. Well, that's interesting because son of a
What? That's not right.
Look, I'm not saying we're going to sue. I'm just saying we're going to sue.
Pootis!
cupcakes.
We'll poop later. Ixnay.
Cupcake and